ne nhyehyɛ egu akwan mu ti enkomo no enie wo so wadwe nkyerɛ anɔpa yi yɛbɛgye na yɛ nyina yɛ hunde we a eniema ebesi akɔ ɛwɔ ɛyɛ ɔmane emu Mystical Wonders wo binkyɛn yi deɛ mensa ebre mɛkɔ no hɔ na yɛahwɛ nkomo no sɛnea esitie na yɛ de ahyehyɛ but mepɛsi yɛbɛtie Dr. Mahmood Bawumia ne chawpa a ɔde ɛto ɛyɛ kanafo anim na yɛwi a afei yɛde nkomo no atatam nti yɛntie Dr. Mahmood Bawumia ensɛm no ɛnɛ anɔpɛ ɛwɔ Liberty 92.7 FM yɛntie Dr. Mahmood Bawumia
abayi ye research ewie yenim sɛ aban ene ye party yɛyɛ mfomsoɔ bebree ɛwɔ ye governance no mu niema wɔ hɔ a afi sɛ yɛbɛyɛ yɛanyɛ yɛmebi so wɔ hɔ a yɛyɛ a anka yɛhu from the background so a yɛnyɛ enti megyina ha yɛnyina yɛka ho bi vice president ministers MPs board chairman appointees yenyina yɛayɛ mfomsoɔ pacho momfa nkyɛ yɛn wae momfa nkyɛ yɛn yenyina yɛyɛ mfomsoɔ momfa nkyɛ yɛn na yɛsua yɛ lessons nyame adom ɛna mode franka ne hyɛ me nsa mebɛyɛ president a ɛmba saa biom ya belle ni your lessons mon fan che
wow Mr. Good morning.
Good morning.
Apo
yami adumo na so
bibi ada yi
Adeakyia.
Okay what the acha na ukram
eja yekram say Adeakyia de me yonku bi asema ya wataka wo say na yesene no
e dey ampa but me say so se mon fan che yen what the acha na ukram
ebi be kuram ebi so de beche but me do be say make say metie no
utie
metie no
say what the acha o say why dey o de utie
metie say ye de aso ne tie asem
okay nti what ye wo so mu say
kwasi me da say yenchia ahwefo mo hwe live on Facebook My Liberty FM and afi wona etie yen free say you also concourse so ne achichi ne benche nyina Dr. Mahmood Bawumia wakasa former vice president ye ne wo hwe kwan say wona eto aba NPP amanyoko nom no eto aba yi na obe Frank Akurafo ene ne de betu dwa say o ma ye bone hemfo na ye bone a che say wona na ban na etwa mu no aye Ghana fo bone
say na nado de wo yi na firi
nanado de se watena kunwa no so awi enti asu se wo ye papa ye boni o ono awi
petampe
but ono de o pedi enti nanado de o me pa chew bia se onye boni ba wa wo pa kunwa de na o se ma ye boni na senka kwasi we ne na o senka o mo Canada dada o ye wo ken
but I was say ye ne doctor Edin ko one doctor asema wo kan say nanado de ne bibi na boni
o dabi se na me kan
na Dr. Bawumia na bibi da boni.
Boni na yes.
Edi ode chawpa no ba eye.
Okay.
Eye but
as to say Ghana for be so chawpa num no. Say si anema asa wi na be pa chew. Kwasi, ho be na Ghana for kan sam ba ko bi de mu ye, mu hwe de ye o. Apetampe. Dr. Bawumia Vice President no di asa nyina. Mo fastia na mame dia mu ye mu hwe ne ma bi he o na akwa se kwasi bofo bi a wonam hwiram na ope nam bia kofi o ya hayo na anoma bi si dua so na anoma ye few na atechede ye bodan ho o se be ma de wugina so wa hu ye jayo na asamba ba o fo asem frame so asem bi ama wo de few sa bofo duru ho na ofa atechede kane sunu na nka atechede nsu ye o anoma ama obofo abefa atechide na obofo atechide wie no woto nani a anoma na bo wiem ho na oto no tu na obeto fom na e wo se wo pe ahoma bi esechire ahoma bi a na manchire dua na wo kwaso na wo san twa asa ahoma no once nipa ba akopio wama asama beka nkofokuo be se mienu aka sa nipa ba akono enti asete na abrabo na yebo no se wo ye ade na Ghana fo na wo sum ye ne kire se de wo ye no ye mpa e wo so je na ujai omampani dada akufo ado mi mani frede ya kwasi ye sha sese ye nsentro adwuman politics ye de ne de achi kakra omampani ne kofo bae na ye reshuffle papa ye reshuffle asmenye na sabi ba kofo nko na nyansa wo ne tirim e wo man we mu omampani ne kofo adwuma obeye ye ne 8 years obedi ya nkofo bo na ba so omampani ne kofo obeye adwuma nyina no kwasi na nya hwio na oti asem but aban etwa mu ko na omunti asem afutuo yempe ene de dan na moa na de esiye so nti se doctor Mahmood obepa chewa odi pa because eniama nkoyi ena wo hwe loose na ekoma NPP for na bibia di adanse se fata so obepa chewa because Ghana for bibira koma nto omyem sa even within the NPP bebrebufu na wo be send NPP for na say na loose e free for mo say apathy de na kofa party ne ba na chete yawdie bi yadan e wo ho e ba ne sen e na obi wo party NPP mu na okodi yawo de se niam bi ankoyi grassroots for so mo hwe mo mfi wo mo Ghana for so kura wo so mo ye adwuma ma Ghana ni gene so ya ehunu aho kire eye no kura kwasi se wo Ghana last year ne mne bi etwa ko se wo Ghana after 2020 elections aho kire so pepem sabiri uko kan ye say Russia Ukraine war uko kan COVID-19 ekwo budi nipa o man mu wo kan yentie saa na Ghana ni so de wo ye ne saa no de nani hwe wo de nani hwe wo ebra ne so sisia no kwasi Ghana fo suban bi o mafa no me fe dodo wo ne Ghana ni ya de a wo de nani ba hwe wo nkan hwe wo kan hwe ebra no so na se okogina simpie so okoto aba na wa kire obibi kakra wo de ne kokromoti enye ntokwa enye maabo wo de ne kokromoti ba che de na wo ye ne nani nya dan enye ho enenti Dr. Bawumi achopa na obepa ne de I think say ye na chopa no Ghana fo nyina na opa chewo no se Ghana fo emfa nche wonom na sisi a no omasua nema bibiri afri mistakes bia omanya lessons bia going forward ne se Ghana fo sa de tumi no emanoa na obe omampanyina on hwe se sa nema bi e course wa bra no ye vice president ne sa nema no beto akoso as to se Ghana fo dudu na beje achopa na tumi de Ghana fo nsem Ghana fo nsem nti ye hwe ba bi asusuande bode ho bekwa kogo but I think say coming out so be pa chewo no pa because enema bi antwa yi nyema bi ankoyi me wo bisam ya meka say NPP first 4 years no na niema ye nyane eto omam ha na niema ye but 4 years a omudi bewie ani de kwasi niema mu yeden niema mu yeden na Ghana fo su an ho kire pa wo mam but ni nyina wo kan enkosi bebia ye reshuffle ye nye galamse ya yesu bebrebe kwasi untimi nkan nye NPP fo mfiri mu amamu na e ba so last 4 years omudi bewie man ye 8 years no galamse ya agency pi horum na sa se free
but Erastus Asaredonko was it last Friday nana ya discuss galamse asemwa say na me ka kire Oliver say I know of Amiafutu and say Mr. Galamse asem power the fahonoma very bad and I still don't understand why His Excellency John Dramani Mahama IGP Nkrofo one obohono wa clear wo munyina because the IGP's men to me a clear Galamseyers, I mean the illegal miners if we saw area no but today go see
because it no
so I just don't understand and look at this update by Woka Galamsey same time the way also last week I warned that illegal miners are going back to areas where the IGP's men cleared Galamseyers. As we speak, these forest reserves have been retaken. Atrimamponia district in the Ashanti region, the offense shelter bet, that is Anya Futu section, armed illegal miners have been there for more than 2 weeks now with excavators led by one Ishmael. And who is this Ishmael? What's I echo the same offense shelter belt now? You will air the Ampem Crew section. The Ampem Crew. Tano Offin Forest Reserve, that is in the Chichirua section. Armed illegal miners led by one Emmanuel have taken over for days now. The Jamra extension, that one they'll say armed men or mystical, or say armed men have invaded. These are areas that the IGP's men cleared of illegal miners recently and kept it clean until they were withdrawn. But we have to note something. It says by law, no license is given to small-scale miners to mine in forest reserves. So why won't the divisional police commander turn a blind eye when they have now been stripped of their lawful duty of enforcing environmental laws? Why has the state also failed to flush, the illegal miners out? Is it a matter say we are afraid of the illegal miners, or as usual, the elite have taken over? So with the issue of Galamsey walking, you see, this is why many are saying Sir John Dramani Mahama has failed.
Galamsey kone de kwasi me no be ya adwen ho. On say na no a woni nsentwerefo hia ya no no mudi nkomo no bibisa no sa question say obe take over ape and so nani ai potopotop. Ena no kro. Eno kro last Friday me tru kwan. Me kono me hwade me ba me se nkofo na san hya ase chichi.
Yeah, we can say me osi o kwa time or ban so time. The same time. Yeah. There is a time river.
Yeah. Well, enti because the ya ten won sesi ya no. Once na me kan say right from 4 years here NPP the end omo 8 years no. Galamsey ne na ekoso. And woko kan na akoye nsem bibiri. And NPP afiri so. And NDC aba. Afi ko de ya hyemu kena. Afi no omo ye.
Na ade a police for ebo ho ban. Na wo mo atumi acclaim crofo. His Excellency was a san crofo no mo ho no. Mapam wo mo nyina anyai.
Na police ni bo ade ho ban a. Ese be ye den se timamini be ko se wo kwa akose no. But we police ni free ode ase akwanya aba se wo se.
Like say one kasa no. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama nan kasa no. Why na dwen say illegal mining no. Ojaegu.
Na kwasi na no ya yebisa akwahye fa illegal mining ho no. The answer is no the mine.
So see nipa 4 million and a good honor mo edidi
ho. Enti yentina musa na yensa asene sa. Cause yentina musa say police enka o. Police ntimi nya hwe o. Because yaje police to me kakana no wona fini sem.
Me meko
yedan. Me koyedan on say.
This answer original commander bi wa hase ya. Ebeden wa catch and men say monko protect asasi we wa hase because minus no ewo ho. No.
Dabi
because one more edi one more men ekodi dwuma ebe wi ase no. His Excellency say one infri. But one way the other. In a way so ya me His Excellency so ya adwen. Because yes, it got to a point where the policemen were going to these galamseyers for their share. Instead of arresting them, they will not arrest them. They will go there and take their share of whatever that is being done there. Come back, arrest them.
Because it's any day, intro, and then you mean ebi ko no makwa akoje.
That is why I said some police.
Say no your friend Chubo.
Yes.
We kwa akoje ni Chubo no yi nani monye no ko. Enti ho na obi so ano sha wo didi firi. But omampanyini every draw omo nyina afiri hoyi e na sesi aso
afi dia sai
afi o ma chesi mi omo yeyo ndi sesi e ne dan na te se kwasi galamsey ko ne de che se obia aban bia ba ase nani mmere se bit was you.
And Dr. Fiye kai wanti. I see the willpower.
Political winning what?
Yes.
And it not say any thing. See a state of emergency see and declare because nipa bears 4 million and or more livelihood wo fine. Omo ye nipa omo ye Ghana for yanko tutu nko bia me no o man panyin ya adwen nti o panyin kwa ben so na ye fa na galamsey no ye tu ase because ba bia galamsey ne nam no kwasi ano hyew me de ya meka wo dwumadi esu se o man panyin o ye adwuma me gi tum me bo na baso me da na se wona adwuma wo ye ho but galamsey ne de ho de akakakra o akakakra because the way akọ for sa tiegum pa kwasi omo ye galamsey no ehu kwahwe tanu nsu yi ya backyard he ya wo de kwahwe tanu nsu yi de ani aye na communicator ba akọ tia say nso ne ni ate nso ne ni te hefa metie na ye mesere nso be na ni ate no ana ye de ye ni oman mu bia na ye nte region bi municipality ye nte bi nso be na ni ate nso bia ne nte kwahwe tanu na ni nso ne nte ye wo nso ne nte ye enti de ko ne de in fact Ghana fo ni be su duebo Ghana fo ni be su duebo kwasi enye galamsey nko an adwuma wo man mu a e wo say obi a de na attention ko so ho na obetimi medidi afiri no e kom de wa wo mfa wo nsam mienu enidi wa bra wanya aduane wo say kom di mti wo do nsam mienu left and right didi yenya na sa o man panyin ye na fam de
se wa nhwe yi a
aban no bon ho moden enti Ghana fo no so yenso so
ma ha ma nhwe yi a obe pachew tese na ba o mi pachew
na edo so na kowie sa na nye ekowie sa na nye because ye de o ma so nsa say bu o man toto niam ye na wan toto ye na niam jensrepe na afi wo sa tene be pachew a na say be obeso kire sen wa bra na wunim no kure no wunim ade ye na e wo sen ka wo ye wa anye afi na be pachew
wo ye
bon e ba ni sa enye fe e ba ni sa enye fe because ba bia ye gina no kwasi ye gina amrabofo achi wo galamsey sense mu na ne koso ade mu akwa say you scratch my back I scratch your back would you way opa what be man NDC in free student people mra galamsey ombeto aso aye we ba omo ye we ba omo ye de ade na politics and any politics ni na ekunye o ma we mu no kwasi liberty FM politics ntina kwasi atemdedie koso e wo social media na ade no eye both NPP ni NDC for na amankofo sebi eni so ade e wo mamu a because se nipa na odi atem no woni NPP a no NDC nipa na odi atem no se woni ma NPP a no odi ama NDC how ebra bi atwam na ntesa o mampanyini ko for time ade we kwasi hu bi o mampanyini onya na ba bi ko meals ebedi akunya hu bi but sisi ano niama aye basa just dey o man na yechechere sa no because of politics bibia say and yet won yere oh very bad.
In no time, the good woman semi the bebro, but on the pay faster than from Queen Elizabeth supermarket. Woman wholesale branch no a Junasi apartment for rural bank in Chenwa and a war. We bet me a quack to near money or shop Musaranzo and now one retail branch and so upper amen for rural bank in Nechi. We bet me a quack to air and what barcon. We bet me a quack to a city 1 cup. We bet me a quack air koto air milo 110. Bibia we here before ni HDM air Queen Elizabeth supermarket ye retail branch na ubetumi akọ mako opese o tubi kokoton so a ubetumi akọ ye wholesale branch no na sesi ameno ekase Recover Construction and Trading womo essay womo abia womo pono wo edanse ho materials no bi na wope se wope air cement POP cement wope tiles wope plumbing materials ahodo ni nyina bi se air cement free gas of aso ye ekoku na wope anemu ne ye wope blocks all sizes ye woni nyina bi covet anadien for ni HM ewo Recover Construction and Trading ye head office ewo Tanoso ye nkrabata ni bi ewo Penakrom anwem eho nyina so supermarket ewo ye obi wotakwa na ye obi so Cape Town Junction ana pay for in 0244874846 ana 0534212702 Queen Elizabeth Hotel ana pay bi epono 24/7 security environment no say very conducive. What the whole ba workers ampa wada adana ho. Ni obedi ni abedom ni nyina abuso. Anunti for ho na bra na oma meyeden e me relaxing spacious car park as well na pabeda so ne ya horo wo car no e de amount frɛ 0244878466 and 0534212702 Saran so na ntade pa obenya nyina bi ahya for one ekyire mu e McDonald's Ventures atade be na opɛ say a men executive office and occasional suits, ladies suits, office and party straight dress, night wears, and I'm going to be in a mpaboa bang and our passion, Bema and our bar. Would when HM or McDonald's Ventures are on Sir Ebekabi, open tablet, keyboard, mouse, Bluetooth speakers, you're in Abbey, phones burn out, secret cameras and asset TVs, you're in Abbey or McDonald's Ventures. Yes, answer our polythene bags, designer one sankasa, and in pay fraying 0243733224. You want pomam, you cocoa board, Edianumche. Ya quack air car spraying oven, Eddie about with infrared heater. And into the car bus yes prima within 10 minutes. Neya yewi 0243733224. Your new magazine, Ofra, Yebadio so Saranso, and on a pay your legacy artworks. Almost a man can't just for works in Abia Yen Mount. Opa say. You patronize it or near manager and one say, obey here, Chilakwan. Picture frames, you baby Eddie amount. Saranso, the sanso, a tone, all kind of mirror. Say, shapes are holding in or in Abbey. Portrait drawing, and I see for pencil and your works and for mouth. You're being in your legacy artwork. 3-in-1 picture frames. Customize all kind of iPhone covers. Wall clock with your pictures. You're being in your customize your necklace and so Eddie amount with your own picture. Your legacy artwork also we also junasi your friends polling station and the dinner. Your crabata back on so any a junasi a post office and a dinner. Been so any a infinite dinner to tweet my friend 0595 667661 and 0599 303475. Your legacy artwork, you say, hey. And sa and a budjumasan, you better to me. I come at the amount. Telesaur as a man can show. Say, Encano now you should a Telesaur broadband, National BB Basaka, Mujama, you and more of data bundle 100%. Ebia also say, and a wati, I also pass also subscribe to a Telesaur broadband. No, you get 50%. Never more dear. Please also subscribe and would tell Musa, when you film, who are hot my be seen there. Oh, watch and the Cassia pa. Enti say wo reactivate and answer will stay fresh and I will stay loyal to Telesaur broadband Nadia. And here be oh Edmond. Sounds about what I'm not doing in pay for when actually a superior hair and beauty supply. Yamo didn't say you to know to your come. Yama within intimate and relax yen treaty man ya kama yen for oil ever for mount. Styling tools are holding a superior hair and beauty supply. Human hair and synthetic wigs yet on in your wig bundles, your shampoo, conditioners and a living. You don't hear our mahina boss and we are a dum coastal and a bosso. Fraying 0242 449977 and 0555 568100. Sounds so than the Bros phone service set on a pay. Brana Badu phone Ben up as a woody crack. May come for the Bros phones service at the amount. Quality phones and then the gadgets out in your name or the Bros phones service. We won't a Buadaka Bosan would say. iPhone now per Samsung Nokia. Oh, laptop Ben out here. Phone glass now per protectors, phone covers, and our power banks. You want to be anything phone. What do we need actually a Bros phones service you be at the amount 0550981107 and 0543531524. The Bros Enoa and our Ghana card. Bells or say will make your dream come true. And the Bells makes it happen for you. In Ghana for Ghana card. Nako Bells microcredit as well. Sikabia we here at the abo oduma 2 pound here. You be any na at the amount. Bells and Noah and no Ghana card. So call 0596920833 and 0302200390. Wofra ibajes but remember terms and conditions apply. And I pay where my kwanya at the abattoir bam. Some mouse are kwanya na frɛ. Na for adwenkyerɛ boy old mediation come my idea also adwenkyerɛ wɔ ho anything. 0536304072 and 0322296342 ɛno ɛna ɛyɛ akonya ɛda hɔ a woso betumi afrɛ na wode wadwenkyerɛ ɛde aba ɛyɛ dwumadie so ɛnkɔmɔ a mene mystical adie wo nso so wadwenkyerɛ ɛwɔ ho ɛna nɔpɛ yi ɛne sɛn 0536304072 0322296342 yɛnhwɛ ɔfrɛfoɔ a ɔdi kan ɔwɔ hae na yɛne ɔno nso ɛni nkɔmmɔde yɛngye ɔno nso adwenkyerɛ na nɔpɛ. Hello, good morning. Yes, sir. All right, yeah, I'm into on the pay.
Na me de kakra me kan say sagalam sen sem ne de edika papa e wo say ye de nan si fom papa na e ko su ni na so firi aban dada no aban na wo wa aban mu wo tama na ye wono wo opposition no o se o mukutupa so ba obe mo maye ndi e se kutupa na o se o mu nti no mo nya hoɔden o mo ye no ya no mo ka say ye nka mom ti no mo nim se nka bom no wo ho na ya tu galam se na ase na na MPP aban no wo ho na mama ya anye sa nka bom na manya akonya kaka de ma me ti ame boss ba ko pe ona abo pious Vincent Abeka nim se papa wi obeba be di regional chairman na me ntia kan de agipon na chita afo nyina na me ntia azikata mo abo adu.
All right, obia edawase adapay Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ese
2028 I was say to Abama no be man panyini galam say ya na mo kan wasemi e ma buru ya juma nyo be Bawumia ba ma buru be ya juma ye 2028 Bawumia na betimi to galam say.
All right, Daniel, thank you. Hello, good morning.
Hi, morning, Kayaso.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. Me di kwa mtonado because I feel sick ya brother.
All right, kwa me mintio.
Kayaso. You papa na kan de Ghana for we no be jetu. Asan say na wonim yeye ana wanye ana wodi nkuku awia. Eya fe no tumputi obi Ghana for ni say you trouble man view. Ti de be kan say o mo pe ku famla. Ansa dia mo ton position che.
All right, yes, that's no hello, good morning.
Oh, Kayaso.
Yes, sir.
Maybe I'm just
Ojugu mamintio.
Now I want to say
Nyamiado.
Wajeso. Mini Kayaso. Edi kafe ewura ba o mi afe opagana fo nyina acho ampa. If you say the oboya yiri na o mapagana cho yensu ya diatum. Na ye Ghana fo so you achefa de mano. Edi ma onen na MPs mi o mo abebu o man no. Adenti na mi kasa. O man peri jo mama sem ka doko flim. Pinia. Eduna obaye onya. Ezo onya. Obaye se de nyama ti afasam. Na ni mza sala te dia sanke tra e dada nu. Kayaso. Me kachira Ghana for so ye wa cha pa kese pa o se pa ono so ne na that point is chow. Na me come on.
All right, no one's on tonight. Good morning.
Morning, Kayaso.
Yes, sir.
We are somewhere in Zaramampo.
Mpacho mamintio.
Oh, Kayaso da was ne adwuma pa wo ne meseka mo ya masa remand Ghana man. Ya papa ba umya wa be pacho. Pacho ne de no kwenya men Ghana for is bo be bone na so be pacho wa asi so. No mo me de men na wa ya so mo awie na say ya mark in the Japan enso so eba. Ni ya hwe de won so ahode o betimi. Wa ya ma ya fi se Canada pa o ye nipa bi o wo kokoduro pa o betimi abu o man na ma aman na fa na ntima pa efra. No mo na pacho ne de wa be pa ma MPP fo nyina say e de no mo ani ni ye. No mo Canada pa ba o be boa ama bibia tutum. Nti pacho ne Ghana for ye frɛ ye so.
All right, medase. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, Kayaso.
Yes, sir.
So,
Major Papa Mintio.
So, Kayaso na pay that ni Mishika and someone with the Gama and TV. Company Vice President Tada na Chopano also need to more. And they were Pacho. Oh, Kwan so need to Casaminian to Gazian to. Now, so we are there, next or pouch. Woman says, Mishika Ekano, I check. And so, yes, Oba, no Apacho. You will be at the end and Kuya Pachawa.
nipa ni bitu wa fine wa nya ntum fine nti wonde di man so fache wo nti no pe ye de ye bona baso ni pe nya kwa no ba ya dia o ba hu se de me ye man ni nti fache wo obi kura mi fache kakra ba kan nti no obi wa de egu awade keke nti so fache wo ne kwa so aro.
All right, yeah, that's Major Paul. Hello, good morning. Good morning. All right, I'm going to from Enfamaya Minia, Kwabna Amaga, Dodona, Efren Mora. Kwabna Pemichao. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Kayaso.
Yes, sir.
Gabi Stonio.
Gabi, I'm into you.
I was in your farm, Boma, Savima. Now, Kayaso, this year, the man who said Galano, Yabona, transfer, or my. If he said Galano, Yakasi, two as a correct parties meaning, be no about can correct. Now, the Akan say, Mahama, Waban, so the Enya Butre, Galano, Kakra, to us. Nemo, Baumia Patana, more carried there. May need this to my baby because only master nam. Let's say, or the come on, or the control. Next time, Carlo, me this or the mob. And today, Baumia ever put on it there. Well, yeah, I'm in fact and Chama me peace back up that Kayaso Kramuku.
All right, thank you. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Kayaso.
Yes, sir. Abu Treka, I'm in here from Yamena.
Kayaso na kwa mamena wasi. Na mchia wati ko nyina mchia kenedi o hina Japan. Kayaso. Galansi amoka wase manano kwa idie. I was here, Java Semka. Sansanano, Mampany, President John Dramani Mahama, Abaye. Or say a Mabunu bear 4 million. And the war, the small scale was a galancy in the move. Our Moya Juma, I done a diano no Mudidi. Now, dear Mobi Majuma, now himself, Pama, my hard dear. Yet that's what the whole car was a Maya day. Kayasu, or Mampany, Neka, or Yamana Meka. And he said, well, my idea.
All right, I'm going to see. Oh, I say, Memfa last caller na Yemfa or perform your infancy. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Also, I'm in Tiana Pay.
More near my family, movie you visit peace, our Accra. And Ishram, what your mama feeling Yansan was a peace, the different being. Na minka achopana baunu obeken ye huche ye papa muni pengu ya huche ona so de munyi skamu ende muti poti sofia bisiba isu sumakra na ubepe acho nti sonke wuye ine ugala ko ine wuye asima na beka nti asepo ande bo acho meme nyintu mini mabusu nyintu ye tosh milligram say oh me pat mampo na acho sele suni say nti eskafono MPP NDC eskafono ombenya sika akansu abenom ye ne hiafo na yaka no pantina okay so emobo ayo bo Ghana nti wo sensu wo yetima new sensu wo hu se sebe kafra nti na se no de bugu kukoso ye beye fatla ye beye no bebre na wo se no eso mi po aso me da wasi.
All right, me de besi ewa me mfa ofrefo bia be da ofrefo de nyina ase. And then Mr. say, may I activate your test line? No? Into your test line is 0536 325242. 0536 325242. Abia na opesa ofo to me and amfre. Na 17 obet me akuchire e dia fa air live as message. Ebeka ohan says here, yebeka nkan ama eye amansan so hunu so wadwenkyere ewo ma na nkyekere ne nkankro emu nia aboa ewura ne hwene mu no sesi a ne tie ne ya but wonso aboa ewura o hwene mu na so hu se aboa no ewura ho no ma wo ye ahwehan ma aboa no wura ho no so ye na wo bika anapia sedan ko ema eye wo so to herbal center omode wo so to herbal man capsule abadwa so abusu obi a to adro bia binia kokojibi It's your mountain mud no on Pema Bema on Yahoden 0242702662 and 0545355796. Mr. Ga, yes, sorry.
Yeah. Yes, friend, I can say, Oman Penini, a bit of tree dada, Dr. Bawumia, Obepacho. Chow Panidi, Ghana phone, Obepa, Yene, Chow, say, never be uncle in Ghana phone Fanchena. I buy you much lessons, near maybe home to going forward no nya kwenya na obefro abanwa no a obetutu near me and quest send ye hu no no ene de say we say we are the one in ya kwesi a chopa na opa nti ene de meja magana for say a chopa no so mbi so mbi ene den e wo Ghana for na me de wo kan no mate ene nti ye de besi ho na ya hwe ye ko yenim no de be ya fa chopa no because me fancy
Mr. Gabadasi, and it's time for sports. Bugatti Ewaha and Dr. Dawood, a free professor, and so I say Bugatti.
Bosses of the bosses.
Good morning.
Morning, boss.
How are you?
Boss, me hoya mi pacho.
Nice one.
Yeah. Bosses of the bosses.
Yeah, Bugatti.
Boss, na weekend usa etia on etia na.
Oh, let me go them.
Oh, okay. Wow, very intense.
Sani ebe no. It's the same. Which I would them a problem in the home.
Demo sheni.
Which a demo only will be near money.
Young kunam demo she.
Sunny, I'll be see a join will be
okay.
A what drain watch. Because the American open now be jet open so win into what drain.
But me judi, the other
which the what drain what drain. Professor Dr. Dawood Afriye.
Boss prayer.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm doing super fantastic good this morning.
Nice one.
The brightness of the day has given me the opportunity to see you this morning.
Thank you.
On the studio of Liberty 90.7 FM. We're behind the console and behind the microphone.
Thank you. And you're also behind the microphone.
Yes.
Thank you.
Boss prayer.
Yes, sir.
Your top is topping.
My top is topping.
Yes.
This one is an old dress though.
It's what?
An old one.
An old one.
Yes, sir.
Yes. It fertilizes you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's not a fire day in.
Thank you.
A jawum.
Thank you.
Boss prayer.
Yes, sir.
Abia.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen some bag over there?
Back.
Yeah, some money bag.
Oh, okay.
Oh. No. You know, unless you get up, Hey. Oh, you see? Yeah.
Chama me just no fear. Chama kaba idi na.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, so a handbag.
Yeah, it be money handbag.
No dey asem no.
We buy more or less an armpit bag. See the shemo too.
Say
dey ma wo.
Open what some people show to.
Yeah, fuck you, son. No be ma ko. It's all the shemo too.
Boss prayer.
Yes, sir.
Oh, actually.
Yes, sir.
Oh, actually, everything's fine.
Actually,
everything's fine.
Jai Sabro Fonica.
Oh.
Jai Sabro Fonica. What's the Bioka you want to know? What couple was administrator if you are no whole channel? Jai Sabro Fonica. Actually, sir.
My main chair, Mrs. Stab. I got that Mrs. Stab. I want to know.
Bro, who come from one administrator? Actually,
Actually, it's not English.
They got on spell can I answer?
No. I was on point.
You were on point.
I was on point.
Hey.
Oh yeah. Actually spelling.
What?
Actually spelling.
What?
Actually spelling. I was on point.
What was that, bro? Word pronunciation. Say, ofano letter by letter.
Yeah.
We be pronounce the word no wrongly. I don't know what's not radio, so I say don't slang. The very moment you slang on radio, will be mistakes.
But actually, it's actually on point. Actually. Okay, make a spell.
Spell it.
ACT.
Yes, sir.
UALLY.
That's right.
Is it not actually?
That is actually.
Actually.
Yes.
Oh, you see.
That is the correct pronunciation. Yeah.
Actually.
Yeah, actually.
Hey.
Actually, yes.
Actually.
What's that?
Father dogs.
Slanging, that is the correct pronunciation.
Is it?
I said actually.
Actually.
Yes.
Okay.
Actually correct.
Actually.
Yes.
So, you know.
What was that? The other time I was spelling COUNT. COUNT.
Count.
Count.
Yeah.
Okay. For RY, account
RY. Country.
Have you ever come across that word? Country. What's it?
Yeah.
What's it?
But it seems like acquire.
So what's a word though?
Yeah.
First one I count.
Yeah.
Mewa.
Yeah.
Good. Until I don't know your counter.
Yeah.
What the RY in the count?
No be country.
Any country.
Until so the R1 eba. Esisa.
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know C no ebe K.
Yeah.
OU no ebe E.
Yeah. That's
and
a
then
country.
the N will come.
Nice.
And then the RY. TRY and become a country.
Yeah. We are learning.
Oh yeah. That is what we have to do.
When I bring
so
yeah.
So like also these days, you know, social media man near my
yeah.
And offer because of smartphones they will give you the word and pronounce it for you.
That's it.
Do you know of the pronunciations and then
they move on?
Yes.
That's good for you.
And
it's good for me.
How to pronounce the word. Our phone so.
It's my pleasure.
Yeah, it's what?
It's my pleasure.
What's it do?
Hey! It's who person just doctor who got free that
What's it, bro?
That's my boss.
Doctor who got free is your boss.
Hey, it's my boss. Yeah.
Okay. You fancy your Bugatti.
That's my brother.
Boss, I said yeah, there was some good.
Yeah.
Boss, we get patch about my vice president.
Master, you say over patch or study. See no, a chop and all pa. I was so young official. Because the only thing you never be a patch or anyhow. Former vice president. And a chopper henny. Come on, it's over patch.
Nana a chopper.
Yes, Nana a chopper.
Okay.
Oman Penny Abede, former
Oman Penny Abedi, Oman Penny Dada Abedi, Dr.
Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia. Then I chop panel. That's not aggressive from the Anameboa.
But that boss, I didn't boss with him, sir. Former South African president, Nelson Mandela.
Okay.
Professor, I will say, power is alone. It has an expiry date.
Oh, yeah, sure. Sir, I don't think a 4-year term. Yeah, the more 4 years is when I expire. Unless we renew that mandate.
Yeah.
Into the papa, you can say, baby, almost see an idea.
A hot true.
Yes, I'm bad. Edmond, Dion.
Yeah, bro.
Now, but beside this question, unless it be a former vice president, like me, the music or your humble man.
Oh, very.
But the cast. I san or kasa and I say,
oh, say, Nipa, say, would you nipa nim na wo kasa?
Yeah,
Ebimu kasa esesa.
okay.
So, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, oh, say, oh, yeah, humble servant.
Yeah, sure.
Delegates in bana public no more any amount for aid in command.
Yeah,
Ayana.
Yeah, aggressive.
Yes. By the way, no na me who say he ne kasa na eye boko. Because na punch.
Yeah. The kasa more over no. Aya na the kasa punch nda wo pa punch ne de. Nti say we obi a wuti na obeka say ase upon say opa to nyina no aggressive.
One say obi antitwi.
Yes.
Na all country ya.
Yeah.
The way and some the ban
boom.
Sure. Said the casa said want to now go. Yeah. Yeah, some person go flow no.
Flow.
You know. Yeah, managing. Admanedi.
We are boss no.
Admanedi.
Me adano pa.
All right.
For to be honest, you can't blast dia.
Oh, I'm blessed. Number one.
Yes.
You cannot take her.
Yeah, we super.
Mate.
Yeah, you know what the best. I say a chop part there.
What's up?
Oh.
Mami nyama Bugatti. Yeah, go ahead.
So obi comment na opa cho jaba. So Mr. Ghana.
Kwasiana viasi yonso sana.
Power is alone.
Omunso fama.
All right.
Na yenkwani.
Yenkwani.
You and I. We're not there. Right. Awusia ena Monday atrase ya da kudi mu nsem no. Enso edeba ewe twebadie so ena nyanya city and we no mienu openia ya fe Mr. Boache Fred Bugatti o ha wo de fisam patopi ayi prof remi ko na ayi kem senu a eni Saturday etimi totwa enso nko focus ne de unsam no enso japa ene ayi mantenti we ayi resource nkwasa pono mienu a ye ba betre 317 on na ya the latest and more latest and update enso timi japa na be so to me come no David to me to na enya secretary edwin yera for him to smami tibuga yera better san yan kasa enya to buga yera better smami na yenti ko buga feel TV so atena kase will be amorim ene dia muri nsuo so muri nsuo Papai omanhwe ya obeti mewu Manchester United. Yes.
Manchester dey kunkum.
Asam ne ha adwen.
Papa no emoyeden.
Papa Ruby Amorim.
Na obe
fire den okoye den.
Uye aduma kama. Ose me ba Manchester. Hwenim guasie awaje. Enim guasie nie.
Se ye tu omfo a omfa
ukwa yesi jai oba ya na osimi kra mi nyama interview sama ye kra me ne bi da ba ye de bia se from ye papa nso wu
pressure
na wo no on sa de tua na me
baby o asam ne adwen
baby o jana nye
baby o jana in fact hot trop pa Ruby Amorim no why mo Manchester team no nipa o ye recruitment dem o team no because Manchester last season the performance of total 15. Manchester got top players was summertime fire. Just 4 players. Omo to nyanso nyade. Skokunwa ben emwa. Yeti results na nkwani msa. Eti eno ayo pani afa Ruby Amorim tine ne de. Otim say emu aiti enso tamano. Eti bi for to so na yentwe ayi kemsa na otwa wiye. Enso eti to twa na ye form resource enfam ne na pepian so eti kama sina sekoye on Saturday yenya Arsenal. Omo any team ye fe Nottingham Forest openia ye fe anchi post kogo okwachida ni so first game no atin emu ye den. Entimano ewo to fe Nottingham Forest ema Arsenal bone kamiensa ema to fe Nottingham omo intimianting yenya beniwofa omo she ekabie no ema Brighton enso etemu bako Crystal Palace enitima ye fe Sunderland to Abia I don't tell me Momo Chesamo Palace for Momo Nyagen and the first game against Chelsea Chesamo paid a few bosso and your board draw wow monitor first Sunderland draw and a mobile anyone going and for my team ye Sunderland and Fatty any Aston Villa game no and so Aquanin and Chesamo goalless draw will be Timian Chevy for Tima, ye fe of Farmtown dresser, almost so many Timiante, Yenya Western United, Messi Nano, Nenyan San Ketro against a Yentiman, Yef a year Tortiam, Securus at your bar, net supporters at Western United, Nature so move rock or down on some ball, Yan Quatafe Kurusa Pan and Pema, Nenyan San Ketro Tim say yes, and even Koyepa, at Tema Pantia, Yefe Kudus Mohammed, and Tortiam, Elko Pommy and come and some Popabi, Emma Tima. Ye fe Western United amonso amantemi ansewata paka yenya ben from Kofoe wobni Chelsea team no masa na nyansa keton Kofoe edi Kensha first goal e Chelsea party na Chelsea te pa kwaka ho ye yempo game nansa na Kofoe enso betika no
amuna ko to draw e je pen for ehye kamino ama Chelsea enso she kamino go bia pantia ye fe Kayaso shamasa punch pa na otimi to twa e wo Premier League no ye nko La Liga ye nyankatefin omo she kamino ama Ray of Vieto omo intemi anso watapaka Ray so Sanata ehye kama Grimoden akompom ye kamino atagula ena pantia for Kylian Mbappe ene pontu goes no ye Atletico Bilbao omutrafin omantimi ashebi ama Deportivo Alaves akompome akabako ye Atletico Madrid ehye kamenu a eye Villarreal omunso mantimi anso tapaka we eye kemsia on Saturday etopia ens ewo Thessalonica yenko eye tesen Italian Serie A Cagliari Catrafi omushe kamenu ama Parma Antomiante ye Duven eye Juventus team no the all ladies of Serie A omushe ekanai ama Inter Milan entemomiesa na wotim say yes na kem no eye big game ye papa na game ni kwane pon tim say yes na time pon ni wasoro ekitima ye Fiorentina womni timan ye Napoli masa na team no Kevin de Pamo Portugal abantia ye Rasmus Højlund former player at Manchester United Manchester na we support for Kwame and even koyim and for Pantia, ye for a chess Hotland. Now, I could not put him no, one team say yes, and you make a or Mumpo, a Camion son, Emma Frontina, and Temetemopa, oh, Fafa, or my Temian Shibi, Emma Ali, oh, Fafa. Omo Temian Shibi, Emma Ali Bill Zekan, Pomi and Kabako, Bill Zekan, Pomi and Kabako, Yenya Union Belly, Omushek, Yenya Union Belly, Omushek Camino, Emma Hofiam, Elko Pomi and Canin Papami, Yenya Woodbeck, and Shek Camus, Emma Tiba, Yef MC Kion, Omusha and Camisa, Paya Mini, Ecomu Bimo, who Tim say yes and Confueto, yes, Omesha, Woman Perio Messieu, Mason Pema. Sweshe, Omushe Ekanum, Emma Hamburger, Oman Temian Suatapaka, we a Saturday comes here, a toja, na Saturday, Yenya Tima, Yefe OJC Nis, Omushe Kabako, Emma Nantis Antemianting, our friend to the car, Yenya Tima, Yefe 8. Jose or Esha Kaba Quatima, Yef A. Monaco, and so compom a camino, we a comes here, for Potimo, Sala, a convertien, and to go post on Kama, a tenua, leave for pusher a Kabako, and my belly Timo, and so Antomiante, Manchester City, Manchester Saturday, Manchester Popo, the Red Dev for Massa, and Manchester Taperan, and Toja, na Messi Manchester Timothy. Aye enkomesie me kwaya masana palancing nyani man koyi afi o masan stop toso enkofo na se o msi Manchester team to be honest with you say you Manchester for Chelsea supporters tempe you Manchester United for masa enkofo na san o Chelsea Ghana to ba Chelsea on se no Chelsea nano o si akan kaman Martin wa mancha banche kwashe go oh enti Bruno Fronte tima ye for Manchester United amwo na enwo Erling Haaland e kan home o se kamino ama banche from 40 enti pa akoka ho enti Manchester derby Manchester City ese kamiensa e Manchester United Antomiante yenko La Liga yenya Celta Vigo omo ese kabako a eye Girona enso se ekabako yenya Levante omo se kamino ema Real Betis enso se ekamino Osasuna enso ese ekamino a eye Trafe Vallecano enso Antomiante na enwa nyumira ana pasa team ne kekamo na pasa team sa afi La Liga Emupeshe buta enya sanketo afi se wan hihye woniema yi na wotoya matra makwa waso peshi eno pantia ye family pers edi campo fisco on 29 minutes na wotimi esa pantia ye fam falan toros na ya sesro enso temano eno on the 50 minutes a pantia fam Marcus Rashford eya ses etema rafian emante bon eto atam kama yenya pantia fake sato eya ses etema pantia ye fam family personal one so to port to atam yenya rafian enso boko ena brantia ye fente se Robert Lewandowski enso po tugosro etima ye FC Barca etinua Barcelona team no omo she eka pole ensia ema tima ye fem Valencia omo ntimi ensewa tapaka etinua wontimi se Barca foro omo pofie papa omo kokwa panua omo fam kofo ye ntako ye nko German na ye ntwe enwa gamesia eto twa ye seri poli omo ehye kamino ama outback etimo bako ye nya tima ye fem Borussia Mönchengladbach omo antimi ensewi ama wenta pami ekopomi ekanan papami abanta fem Victor alase aye Victor Boniface esiakan etima wenta pamasa eno no performance na eye kento na anoden na ejentu atuipa Tima ye fe wenta pemi enua uko Italian Serie A yenya soma oman timia shema Torino ekopomi ye kamino yenya Atalanta she kanai emracing omon som temi tebubako yenya Pisa omon trafi mayu deresno ekopomi ye kamino papami yenya Sassuolo omon she kebakwan ayetima ye fe Lazio enso antimiante enua penti ye fe Luka Modric ebod only go at my AC Milan against Ayem Bologna at AC Milan 1 Bologna and so Timmy and Chevy and so Frederica Yanyali as a Camion Emma Toulouse and so Timmy Timobacco Press as a Kamakwa Ayem Police FC Pomia Cano Yanya Tima from Mens as a Kamako Angasan and so she a Kampako Police Saint Germain as a Camion Emma Timan that's a ye fell someone so intimiate. We a game set to jar, Yenya Strombek and so shall come acquire Levi or my come or must put a last I am wasn't conforming to me communication. Sans of Massa Yepa, Yenya Renis Esha Camis Emma Leo, almost throw etimo back way. Aye, Kessian, El Tuja, and I'm a Thomas and so Tamao. I want to be so quick, young contra table, Fanes Tosomami, na yet a table ne, Sadia Settle Premier League, na young Quadim and so on. And India, leave for Potino, comfortable lead, and then 4 games up or 200%. Sansa, I win out of 4 games here. And he, one more hour to 4 points over as Tosumino, 1 hour 9%. And you taught him a Tosumiasa, and our 9 points over Barrymouth, and so toss and 9, almost our 9%. And you Chelsea, as our 6 points. Bugam.
Yes, sir.
Manchester United. Almost 2 14 points.
I the season ready from 8 to 14th. Yes.
Manchester United. Na me yadwa we can see. Almost at Chelsea.
No, they are same ba.
You be pay more 80. Yes. Yen twe more.
So simple.
Na but omebro.
Now we try City to Chelsea. Hey, chairman. Was somebody for Omebre.
80 Manchester United at the 4 games of mobile. 4 points 80 way. I Manchester Pa Alan Fergus Manchester United see and the says Atina Sakoye and Moyeti at the United team may part of finance mommy na Yankwe Sanse and many Kwaramin Fancy na penny fetish of Bugatti 1 for Fisamno and so and toss and for my young Kwanayam for a German. Almost to now, yes, a German Bundesliga, your Benny Tima, your firm Bayern Munich, Omojesa, Omo kind Omoko, 9.3 games of Moparo, Oma record 12 goals, who Tim says yes, and Kuyipan, and Dematima, your firm Bayern Munich Dortmund, Eltosumeni, our 7 points way, we almost toss me, your baby, no more pre, Omansa Puta, Omoko some competing with Tima, your firm Bayern Munich, young Somosa MC no, almost a toss of your son, I was 7 points. Some pretty, almost also name, and I was just 7 points. And no answer to say, German Bundesliga 5-4, and I'm a German able to finance for me. Na young queen, na young next table, never been so to me a conquest of Maya, you're for eating, na Napoli enso ro dikan wo mo 9.3 games no o ma wie ne nyina ye penye tima ye fe ye tofin omo so to so me no e wo 9 points enso ye penye you dinis omo to so me san e wo 7 points Cremonese enso to so 9 enso e wo 6 points enso AC Milan e to so num ye penye ye soma omo so e to so Asia ye penye Atalanta enso e to so we Italian Serie A omo so mo table no e me table e wo ntuma next one na ye kwanim enso we enso e tesomya ye fe HS Spain almost some first for said as set here remonte almost 100% almost some tiba record 4 games no omo wiene ni nyina omo ewo 12 points omo etankan pasa eto sumienu ewo 10 points ye penya Atletico Pepao omo to sumiensan omo se 9 points ye penya Getafe omo eto su 9 ewo 9 points ye penya Villarreal omo eto su numa omo se 7 points enso we aye testing okola liga wo so table no na metew nsam enso to dwa e won tumere so e wa anya prayer enya secretary fancy nyame ya to awia betasia ye dite samo enso betaba na bianso atimi ekama enye aseketwa ntide tiano no ene eye monday etines no mienu mo papa ye betale PM post no enso atimi na ba na the voices interviews of coaches any players here no na hon sampi enso atimi atwa na enema enso atimi ka Mr. Boche for the Bugatti Atrasi what the fisam no pebugan
Chama.
Yentia fisem.
But I said, for here, I want to say, Chana, Pavisame Banafe, Yababedi, Afisamun, Komoka, Kawasugusua, Utie, Opus Sport Station, Liberty, 92.7. Shots here, now, Yampa Fisam, and for Unimisa, now, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, no, the Ghana, American Society, Tarape, Tami, Chukunafe, Yampa Resource, of course, or anything from the Uramum, Ewa, Accra Sport Stadium, no be at the area, Heart of Folk, Welcome Best, Seth Goat, other fabulous, at the end House and Shem of a team and the team, and oh, United so and Tomato Saturday room, and will go this the park, Brecum, just a film of Kumasas and the Kotokotinum, a team Aquashire in the Canada, who play anything, and the Alberta more, they said the only goal, Saturday room more, dance park, a baby higher, go start 2, and my BECHEM 4 and to me and Taquadanity, and Samuel attack could be more 2 goals, and after Davi Yabua, I think I didn't back and so the my BECHEM on a pedal, and so the bottom of Pandoa, how flanting no atrafie acha bakuma drift antimiante akoda ni dia Ebenezer Abon and their captain Adam out of launch team no Samson Ramu team and dia basically start to man Chevy ama 11 one that so antiman Chevy Kara for traffic bakum ama dena start antiman da koda ni team and Malik Abubakar and I said the only goal and so the man Kara nation for traffic acha mienu ama swed all black team no and so antiman economy vision for traffic Chevy ama some of the symptoms upon a pay almost so antiman and they want to say Udisa media matim no kwa we eko che tu my young apostle sentiment akoda ni dia Emmanuel Wusuna fe poyebua ebo 2 goals to the media ma ama young apostle for omo antimati say na table ni tie media ma Bibian Go Stars Nature Chelsea Kumasi Asante KOTOKO Heart of London Africa for Munyina was 3 points and now for Wemum and I want 1 point no 11 wonders Heart of Folk Ho United Basakoli Stars St. Matthias business for 1 point now where many teams are omu any a single point Sword All Blacks omuni point BECHEM United heading us start Brecum Chelsea Dream Selves and after young apostle for wemu a team so many point back umpo now only said I don't for the game of so and my husband to my shame how for to my coach and get it must did the money Casa hey I did not say going to be a castle ready as a hat at him some go football here a sanitary also fans in Yabotre yet you coach and get it must did the money.
I think so many things worked well, especially the energy, the effort, and then the performance. Only didn't have the last part of it, which is the results. And sometimes the results you don't control. but things that we can control in greater part of the match we control. I think that everybody has his own perception about the expectation. I think that we are on the right path. We continue to have a clear identity, and then we have a clear direction. The direction is to build a comprehensive squad so that we can be.
When is some coach and the mass out did drama to only Mr. Natina South Busa and Opani, Obia on the hall in after Tim Nebona, Tim Nanya Red Caribbean has to wear here, and 10 against 11 of the chair. Hebra Hall for the Quenya Red Card, and the game of Crown, as Asante Sabia has Tim Santa Hall for the so. You take what you got.
You know, I remember we're 9 players in Japan against one of the countries. So they couldn't. If you don't find the spaces, it's difficult. If you don't find the spaces, it's difficult. Sometimes the games can come like this. Other times they can be like that, and then it opens up, and then you start going through. So for me, I'm not so worried about these aspects. It gives us the.
Well, I just say, well, I am not in football, so only team Nebona 10 against 11. Now, let me say, I brought game the corner now. Support the sound of Pina and the back sports stadium. Now, let me say, now support us in the just now, coach, you see our bay that you would teach in here. Yet, supporters reactions are called after the game. Now, no further than a course on Intel Mugakra.
I don't know, I'm fan because born your boy, maybe I find a born your boy, but expectation and a players now I got our man let you down. But God, and himself for the past 5 years, on say a first woman to say, hey, what he and himself that year, Sajis need the break. And so still, I'm fat and say, yeah, just league need the happen as yeah, they are better always. That's why I've been here. Oh, my baby, I've been one, I did what they have been more.
Well, so where you supporters. Yes, is a course, and I know Friday was a phone. Pair here, who some council the minute here for young Romaka or the Golden City Park near game team, Kumasi, Asante, KOTOKO for Brekum Chelsea. Now, I give no net, Pobian 3rd year, KOTOKO for the past 50 years in here, KOTOKO for win. Now, only say coach and there is some of what one and I coach Brekum Chelsea team to just football, yes, Anate, lose, win, and answer 20 and normal. You did some of what Gakra.
I'm from the supporters of Brekum for massive support, and then across the country, those who supported us really connect. But it's a very tough game. Playing KOTOKO is not an easy game, and you will see that most of our players are out of the team, and then we blend them with the new players and the old ones. It's not easy, but I like their performance during the first half. The ball was 50-50. We should have buried the game.
Well, is some coach and the Samuel Boyd one on their coach. I demand Brekum Chelsea to Janani, sir, or Saturday back for Hannes, Obia, Paul, the boy, we are the customer better do not give me a year. Now, I see players lose lots of concentration. Now, Sankamunya would say, Tamika, game management, what you say. One day, Damo Sama, better want the water to attend to only say, players net dinner. You take some of what
Yes, there's a lot of hope. If they keep playing like this, then to help the team. But the only thing that does it, they need total concentration. So you have to play to the end of the game. And when you lose concentration, the opponent will punish you. That's what you have to work towards.
Well, what is some coach and the other Samuel Boyd to Janani, sir? Not the opposite number. A coach and the other Abdul Karim is it on their coach. And so Adema Kumasi as a KOTOKO team now. On the brand game, the corner, on the Kasai, and the chair supporters in Tianika.
Yes, I'm very, very happy that we've won because in a competition like this, we only have to win to gain more points. Aside that, there was a historical issue about KOTOKO and this film that for 50 years, KOTOKO not win a game here, and we are able to break that game. I said it before the game that there's at least one day out of everything to change your life. So at the end of the day, after a hard fought football, I've done justice to KOTOKO because when you look at the way we.
Well, yes, some of the wedding coach Abdul Karim is it on the I'm something that you know, so maybe I'm not doing it yet. So, what shall I say now? Now, first to win a ball, and motivate to a answer is power, and more to make games. I would work in now. You think I crack?
No, I wasn't surprised. Every KOTOKO game is a hard-fought game because the coach said it. He said the only mistake he did was KOTOKO beating him during the FA semi-finals. So it tells you that he meant what. So tactically, he's not a bad coach. So definitely, and then again, aside everything, there's no mini match for ASANTE KOTOKO. Every.
Well, what is some for Kumasi ASANTE KOTOKO coach to Japan? And go by the man 21st of September next week Sunday. And your cup. Confederation Cup game between KOTOKO team and the team and Kora United Sabia, the concentration Ginano and Amia next week game because so our Accra Sport Stadium.
we see that we are going to Africa. So definitely we are. Uplift our training, our energy level should be higher than those of the match we play here. So it's like everything we do, we look at Africa before anything else. So I think the boys should know what is in Africa, and when they go to Africa and they perform.
Well, Mr. Boy, sorry, does you ever win after event? Only me say man of the match player the day they are better one. Now on the ball, and they only go. And then you also Kasaka Kadem for Munsi.
I bet feeling the episode. Well, you're in there, a very difficult game.
No, I better see about Munsi. What if I'm going to press? So I'm not saying no. At the Abadumiti, at the water for the great man from himself, Bugatti.
What do you want? If you move him, I'll be soon. I a smart effort college for that room.
Hey, sir, smart effort college. And also the school bay.
No crack, a school, or much like the pa. Now, Omodia is here for a free crutch 1 year, Aquapem class 4. Acadian in Yamabia, or Moditra Diano, school you will be. At a chair for us, I've been ye pa. Your work with I don't want that dear, or Moditra Madi. Now, Omani Swadi Hune say, basic school no, on Betram Kodana dear, I'm on my meeting Montessori standard.
Seren Sira, and now by yaw now no bro for desano. Bracofi, school dear, I am a corner. Minya and come ben supercobio.
Tobo, almost school fees with the phone pa.
Medad and Cassia pie and me bapping, you know, so I see so and one show. Now may a day, eh?
What how no? And we yane smart effort college. Omo was see remedial classes.
Oh, sir.
I almost vacation classes. Emma SHS students.
Ah, Matia some day, woman Chilebu.
Now there won't be any say. Omo was see programs that would do in general arts, business, general science, visual arts, home science, and I pay technical. And it is something say, Sawadoba, Echo Smart Effort College. Akrani Ace and the B's in it is assured. A one on far planning called Emanikonia C's, Aquapim F9.
Hey, I see a some now.
Many about some that say, school you are boarding, hostel, Emma was see candidates, and a basic school for Nina. Almost sign work car, a far basic school for no, every Saturday also, do not support ever say Nina.
Miss Rob Woman, school you on much require with him.
Ube school you me in our Saturday also, so Macrum, and Cane, baby and a Grace Preparatory School no one a while. Ube to me a friend, school paying for our home at 0245 1918 29 and 0531 305451.
Smart Effort College and just be smart
and we will put in our effort.
He wants what's a wedding is oh you butu pankasa
Messi Lufat na wajima were you
hey malaria drew Lufat jama wedding where your hospital
sister where I imagine there few hours to my wedding na me see same huma yeshepe linketa was me kuniya my husband is sick
hey jama turn do na basi no yen
what's the water test positive for malaria
no na been to one for ambulance na one
ambulance it's not a bicycle
hey no nyasi from kakabo
no kick many me wedding gonna me make up nina sometimes nearest pharmacy so wanna meji Lufat
entrance pharmaceuticals for malaria do na
inyo no ye na wonder mukuno jina na bi abrante pa
no kuni so no pona waka that you make kiss the bride if you want to so day
no donna man no ye donna
indeed malaria and come to them Lufat malaria drop sa igagin crack we FDA hwemagia tum se eye.
Hello Ghana for bills are coming home bills set 2025 video and it does so homo bia what kwa oni ejuma ye enti fa when it bills na beji loan na wo betimi dia ye wa ejuma we ye loan don't come wo hia hweo ye wo hia ne wo Ghana card e hwa na wo nsaka usika na se we obi a we ye wa ejuma wo pese wo tremu ana se we ejuma ni a wo ji bosomi aketua and your bill se bray na beji loan na wo fa bibia sia wo collateral and nasa deposit who hear mu bia enti afidie bill se will be a woni adwuma bia ye ubetumi abeji loan don kominu bi na se wotna fie na wanya sika no bi dia eye wow enti fra bill se sia e was 0596 920-833 and 0302-200-390. Now where to me Chiao bills. Name HSA Kakrawo. Bank of Ghana and Sasha Bills Microcredit HSA. Bills, financing your needs.
Oh yes, it is time again. Right here in a city, Western North region, Yoso Military Hotel and Event Center present Sign Out Party with DJ Wasike. Jumediawe, Yediama, all senior high school and tertiary students. Our mobile school this year, a free gate. Associate 21st September, Sunday 2025. DJs on board, DJ Wasike, DJ Magno, and DJ Attention, Headman, MC Lil Smarts, and MC Abrantepa. Venue, Millie J Hotel and Event Center, Seji Punikru. Eshasia, 7 p.m. to your drop. Activities for the night, dance, music, games, vibes, and energy. At Yena 21st September, our Millie J Hotel and Event Center, Seji Punikru. Gewa bar, your restaurants, your hotel and guest house, your pool. For reservation or enquiries, any Gomo 0541 11 24 68 and 0547 24 1077. Millie J Hotel and Event Center. Sign out party 2025 with DJ Wasige. It's all about good vibes and more.
Madra one, Braha, Medemu Pana, wouldn't Bobby Briapeti Hassan, and I feel the old had Jastrana. One Munra was the Biaso Honto, Media Tempests and 20 in every demua.
Yeah, Mira, Mr. Fatima, my Madrid assistant to an craft for that. Every say, Messia Majunka, 3P Gallic Mixture, Mira, and no one may last stop. Nasa 3P Gallic Mixture, the Biamacam was central. No for Tingy, Nasa said they wanted two. Mira may say, minimum 3P Gallic Mixture, no may feature Como Haunina. At work chakra.
Piwak Natural Clinic and the 3P Garlic Mixture, Abajas, 3P Garlic Mixture, a Bobre, one by Umuya, Ribia Frim, 3P Garlic Mixture, a Brahma Muja dear Fusani with the Pedrenum, and it says stroke, asthma, I am team and the monopause, Akumayare, Bojan Wuswatari, Wanisu Tabri, was Sano on Tire to treaty, and Ayana Chum, Honam Tayo Basabasa, Bodrana 3P Garlic Mixture, 3P Garlic Mixture, and I make come for a mouth. Kaisa, 3P Garlic Mixture, Yanwa, a garlic moon and raw, Yachucha, for the bien from a pure garlic extract, 3P Garlic Mixture, Food and Drugs Authority, Yashua Jet, 3P Garlic Mixture, Ubeyabu Ghana for Nana, Jinase, Ubeyabu Philomena for Sir Drugstore, Esther Arthur Drugstore, Brad Charles Drugstore, Mr. Boja Drugstore, Zaura Drugstore, Bia, Ubeyabu Wako, Madam Obakia Drugstore, Samkori, Apo Drugstore, Fred 0248 928824, and 020 100 0021. 3P Garlic Mixture, a fully organic. Yaribia's room. Look from when you call it.
Adia Japan say, Unin Namfufuasia, Nayaka, somewhere else, and no one to miss Ribi. Sassam ya bineto. Ebra say, I am yellowish color be a unhun and to cry. Made the toothpaste, I would be a senior chimney. Namisi and Timina Fita said Yamepen. Cause sister Madame will be at Chermy. Active Point Dental Clinic. Nebra me drew one and who say how not one in don't hear about Copentem. Missing I fit. Say me to Missy, I will be a Mecobia. Obibian so one medical condition beer. I'm an yellow teeth, brown teeth, and a green teeth. No, Active Point Dental Clinic. I will name dear. One bet your mouse no asaya fit beam. One more sign was teeth whitening home kit and a medicated foam toothpaste, teeth whitening pen, and bet me dear more coffee. No one got to us where you secure Active Point Dental Clinic. Our Danyame, Omobe Ultimate FM in Chenwa, Obwase, Dunkwa Junction, 9 miles Panoso, Sunyane, OA Bus Terminal, Omni Coco House, Dinchanimu, Search Genase, GPRTU Market Hall, Shell Filling Station inside. And our friend 03223 9680 and at 0554 571779. Active Point Dental Clinic. Get a whiter teeth in just a day.
Sika ketewa bi wo ho, sika kesie wo ho, and too much money so wo ho. Telecel too much money promo no be gra. What Telecel too much money promo mu no, ubetimi edi 100 Ghana cedis for debia da akensie ni mu. 20,000 Ghana cedis for na wotwe bia akensie ni mu. And 1.2 million Ghana cedis for akensie kesie pa ni mu. And no ye Ghana cedis opepim ba ko ni ahenu. Reload the airtime keke, nenya pointer. Ebe mo nya kwenya, wodi be dinkunim. Dial *500 hash. And now Telecel play app ne so. If I was too much money promo ni mu say ya. Jumadi ese sheka krada ho.
Telecel, connecting energies.
NLA NHS Jumadi so e wa Caritas lottery platform ne so.
Me bajunia mengro ma bravo hopai. Hey. Na wani na adia wo je oba grosa no na adia wo nyame nam dota mu a owo personality natural health care so aye eno na di bani je say yo healthcare awo hu nsem de otinete se wo kase mu obuo ko prostate aye kese ama onya dwonso mu amanuhunu ana empaso mreyo say yes stroke diabetes hepatitis B pressure sisi yade afichi kroma amanuhunu enamu yade hodo ene yade bia wo sa ne se wa na medi oluman enu oledi kwa check up owo mfidie pa me ye na domatri ko ani na nse mi double no who ni sen hey I'll grow here oba o pese o hips ana ase o to eya asie ye ye won adwuma sanso ene se stretch marks ajo we dia boso eno nso ye yi free ho very ma oba masua na pese o pagyamu no bra ye be pagyamu ama obe hu peske ewo Accra La Paz Nyamiche Junction ye wo Crown Prince School no achi wa Kumasi G Runabout Medila bachi wope baby ani ede se human rural bank wo mu no sawi also empomam ye ne Church of Pentecost ene di nhwani mu takwa Roman stores opposite Zenith Bank Sunyan ofri Kumasi KOTOKO house Rex ye ne total filling station no ne di nhwani mu fre peske ewo 055 773 8555 peske quality hair.
All right, Mamen Sai Emao Akwaba anope mfao emra jumadi ezwaha aya Liberty 92.7 FM so na anope yedidi nkomo dodo na ya share Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ni apology ode ema delegates afi ababe kese magana fo nyina no obia anyabi na nasma no kase time on ne na adan kwakufu ado ene MPP ewa aban mu no they got many things wrong. So Ghanaians and delegates must forgive them for which and some baby you bidding come off on a pay. Saransu and ye papa Apostle Kojusafu new on so one of the men Ghana na ye wa na ye do mo ehwo hwaye ho sanze papa no na enema oyer na eboradwen ntiase so enzo onyame atonensa afreno at age 77 enema bebre na wom na enso so no ye beka ne sai minia ata mafo ewa ha oye constituency secretary ema NPP so he also good morning.
Good morning, Nia.
Na abom.
Boko, no so.
You heard me already the ABC.
Yanko point ya there. Wamana watching akwa property.
Sure.
You better not say.
Ujan Sanchez want to say.
Oh, no your power so chow.
Ujan Sanchez.
Fire wonders.
Oh, fire wonders.
So chow ba.
Beje so ba.
But that was a power for the wish. Me catch them say wish no so. Da only okaka chense msume danasi.
That's right.
Okasasi anu obuni.
Obuni tinko. Ujan Sanchez ne.
He's on zooming.
Very.
Yeah.
I see.
Nti waseme na wasema.
Imagine so.
I don't know why. One day I said then baba chow.
Oh no. I like the name.
Did you know by uni bana ya uno.
Cotton one ba.
When you feel one day na ni senior brother no to say TikTok and then to go see a movie fina. Ni senior brother say obabuno no kaje say masa. Now so obabu me. Na body ni de kunto go. Yedi wait. Hey. Ni senior brother ni usunye.
Plan.
Usunye.
Adwene ye de kon.
Say adwene ye. and it is true. Adwene ane de nam ti sɛ wo sɔre anɔpɛ na Nyankopɔn ayi wa dom na sɛ wadwene ɛda hɔ a ɛsɛ wo da nase. Na we hyɛ ne di ani onyam. Nti me deɛ Bible ka biara no.
Mujitum.
Ɛya na mejitum pa sɛ kai obɔfo. Nti me ma branti brɛ mu ne sɛ mesɔre anɔpa na nkwa wɔ me mu. And I have to remember him. Nti yɛda nase so ama de patching.
And I would say about